Hi, this is Ming. Nandito kami ngayon sa J Center, Cebu. Ngayon, kung tinatanong nyo kung bakit ako naka-helmet, pangarap ko kasi maging si Max Rider Black noon, okay? So, ayun na. Anyways, ano ba topic natin for today? Ang topic natin for today is Law of Association. Okay? Sabi ni Jim Rohn, your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Okay? Kasi not just money, but sa lahat. Okay? Sa health, sa relationship. And, bakit ko sinasabi sa inyo ngayon yun? Okay? Importante kasi na you're surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded people who want the same thing that you do. And, in other words, kung gusto mo yumaman, huwag kang didikit sa mga taong mega. Kung gusto mo maging masaya, huwag ka didikit sa mga taong malungkot. Kung gusto mo maging healthy, huwag kang didikit sa mga taong puro dito. Yes. Yun, what if, okay? For some reason, wala akong mahanap na taong ganun. You could still associate yourself with people through books, and that is the importance of reading. Kaya namin kaya pinapabasa ng mga libro nila Jim Rohn, nila Robert Kiyosaki, nila Napoleon Hill, is for you to pick up their brain. Diba? It's like you're being friends with them even if they are dead. Okay? You're associating yourself with people through books. Yun lang. Yun yung reason behind we're asking you to leave the things that we're asking you to leave. Yes. For you to be, parang naging kaibigan nyo na rin si Robert Kiyosaki in the process of reading his book. Okay? Yun lang. Law of Association. Again, this is me. Signing off. Bye-bye.